A guide you to download songs from YouTube Music. So for that, firstly you need to download YouTube Music. So let's hop into App Store or Play Store. From that, you can search for YT Music. There you could see here it is showing me update. So I have already installed that. So I can update that. If you have not installed that, you can go and tap on install and that will be installed. And from there, you can go to the YouTube Music by tapping on open. Tap on open to go to YouTube Music. From there, it will take you to the YouTube Music app. From here, you can download the songs. So let's say I can tap on Supernatural beside that three dots. So in the list of options, you could find the download and it is asking for premium. You can try it for free for 1 month and then you can pay that and you can cancel at any time. So you can tap on try it for free and it will ask you for add payment method and you can add your card UPI or you can redeem code and you can do whatever the options you want. You can download from there and after payment you can tap on that download and that songs will be downloaded. From that you can hear the songs without the network or Wi-Fi connections when you're offline from YouTube. This is how you download songs from YouTube Music. Thank you.